Okay, we found an engine and transmission with Russ, the old hot rod shop teacher, here at his shop.
All right, so welcome to Rancho Paquito. So this was Valley High School in Vegas drift car, and this is the third motor that's been in it, and now we're ready for engine number 4. Started out with a throttle body 350, then we went to a Canbit 350, then we went small block Ford, kind of a Ford International Scout anyway. And this came from a young man who traded a bunch of work for an old gentleman and put a brand new motor, tranny, gas tank, radiator, carb, everything. And the truck had 2 plugged cats. So they never got a mile on the truck. And so his mom got a hold of me at church, asked if I could please talk David into getting rid of the truck. So we ended up with another motor for the Drift Scout, and now someone else needs the motor, so we'll yank it out. And the engine number 4 is, and transmission's right behind us, and that's my my son's pickup. And
is it the 423 turbo?
Ford, yep, exactly. With aftermarket wastegate, turbo, all the stuff.
Everything
like
looks much larger.
Yeah, I have no idea how it's going to work, but we'll fight with it. All right.
Okay, so that's the gist. Russ here is giving them the hookup. Gave him a smoking deal on it. Since we were looking for a trans, he said we had to take everything if we wanted the transmission. So here we are. They're going to put in some work today. We're going to lift it up, drop some stuff out, and hopefully get this engine out and take it home today.
Oh, we'll get it.
So we'll get it out.
We use tons of tools.
And what you're going to do is you're just going to start at one corner of that transmission pan, and you're going to blast bolts out. And you're just going to start from the corner and kind of go both ways, and we're going to try to get the leak just on the corner. Make sense?
Oh, yeah.
We don't want to take the whole pan off if necessary. Okay, 10 millimeters.
We missed some of them.
Not quite.
Yeah, that means that one.
It's like running off the exhaust, causing problems. Okay, rags. Uh-oh. We almost had it. We should have brought more shirts. Take your shirt off, throw it on the ground.
No, I got boxes.
Okay, get the drive shaft out. Bloop. Just like that.
Hey, I got a funny story.
Okay.
So, I used to do the backside when we measured the drive shafts, and I had one kid, Michael Richards, twice to help me out, right? Move this side up here instead of keeping it right 3/4 to help me get where because I'm pulling on the measuring tape.
Yeah.
And so he's like, "Oh, yeah, Mr. must want to come back farther," and I ended up cutting 2 drive shafts too short because Michael was trying to help out because. Right? And I'm like, how did I get a drive shaft too short again? And the whole time, so I've learned to, I hold this side now and let them do the tape on that side.
Gotcha. So you don't come up short. Okay, transmission's drained enough. They're gonna button it back up, drive shaft's out, and we're gonna start working on some front pieces. Getting headers off and things out of the way so we can pull the engine. How's it going, Hudson?
Pretty good.
How's it going so far?
Pretty good.
Okay, I'm taking the speedo off, getting kind of the back end, things loosened up here, and the shifter loose. Is that it? It's not it. I don't think that's it. That might be 12. 11 or 12. It's old school, so it's probably American.
Possibly.
Alright, now we're up to the front. We get the trans and everything disconnected. We're working on fuel lines up here for now. We got motor mount bolts or nuts out of the way. No. Luckily there isn't one.
Yeah.
be good. How's that going?
You want to start taking? You just toss them up there right now.
And the tray of justice.
Well, the open end works. You got that one.
The headers make it tight. It's worth the horsepower.
Worth the sound.
Right.
Worth the tinniness.
Well, we're getting work done. More bolts and nuts are coming off. Headers are coming off right now. My side's done. Hudson's almost done after he gets the dipstick tube.
So on this, just give it a wiggle. Yep.
Ta-da!
And then a little spacer. And do me a favor, see if you can find a little bitty socket that fits that. I'm gonna take that stud out. 2 wires here that all you need to do is run the motor. Cool. So if you see, I'm gonna take that bolt out right there, and then this nut, see the wires right here? You take that nut off right there, so you take that one off, and then we're gonna find out, like that out of the way, what kind of wire over there to get that one off. Lay it on the motor, and everything's there.
Look at that.
Cool.
What?
That's just like, good thing I'm already familiar with these Ford motors. I heard that.
What is it? What is it? It's the
Big ass, oh, never mind.
it's the engine clicker 5000.
Yeah.
All right, Hudson, where we're at?
It's so short.
Pulling the engine now.
Okay, everything's disconnected. We got
All right, so we've been here 25 minutes since the video started. We're
Yeah.
pulling the motor out now.
super easy.
We had to deal with a lot of emission equipment.
Took the carb off, but we're good to go.
Just keep here, come up here, keep going, so it's now going up.
Whoa, whoa.
Backs up. All right, go and set her down again for me. Yeah, just do it. Right. I'm gonna move this. Keep going. All right, put it up. Oh, oh. There's a little bit of pressure on that. Go ahead, go. Keep going. Keep going. That's why I didn't want to start on there. Okay, keep going. Hold on a second. Okay, go ahead. He gets pulling hard like that. I think we're locking up. You know what I mean? He's like this,
Yeah.
I'm like, uh-oh, we're going to be lifting the scout. Did you guys have to put that? Oh, the chain? Yeah. Okay, hold on right there for a second.
Let's check, make sure everything's good.
This side,
Where are you guys thinking?
it looks good. It is dripping a little bit of
I think. Go ahead. I think, yeah, just go up some more. What it is, our chain. You could have lowered the car all the way down and let it roll forward. Go ahead. It's going to
Okay.
pop forward. That's blood.
Blood! Nobody makes me bleed my own
I
blood.
know.
Oh no, the scout's bleeding.
Uh-oh. Might have
lift it up. Hudson, look at me.
Hey, can you keep that arm's gotta go back? Hold on a little.
Well, thanks for
Thank-
letting
yeah.
us use your shop.
Yeah.
Yep,
Um,
there he goes.
There he is. There we go. We got an engine and a transmission and a drive line.
Oh, you gonna keep the driveline?
Yep.
There we go.
I need
He needs the back end.
that back part.
We need the front end so we can put the AMC back piece that we have off yours. So we got enough to build the drive line. So we're close. We're really close. So big shout out to Russ letting us use the shop. Old hot rodder, loves the game of building, and hooked up Hudson with a sweet deal. This combo almost ready to drop in and go. So all we got to figure out some motor mounts and the rear cross member setup, and we're ready to go basically. A few little wiring, a battery, and some cables. So
and then some speakers.
oh, speakers
And what?
and speakers. We gotta have speakers in the car now. Let's get the engine in first and run it.
Yep. Yeah, before you turn up the anti-knocking knob.
Yep. Quick trip home. We're here. Trailer does not fit in the garage, so we're going to take it off and get the engine hoist and lift it up from the back. Okay, here we are. The picture's horrible. Brighten it up. There we go. Look, hanging. We're loaded up. We're going to take it in the garage. And then one day it's going to go inside the Gremlin.
Probably, hopefully, this month.
I don't know about this month. Maybe next. Next year.